Hey folks, this is Ben back with you in the Midwest Model Shop. Alright, quick video today. We're announcing the release of our 1/200 scale Trumpeter Titanic Breakwater set. I've had several people ask for me to create these in 3D print resin, so here they are available. You get 3 sets because you got the Titanic, Britannic, and Olympic, and they're all set and ready to go for you. What you need to know is that these are sized to match up. You know, there's a little like breakwater house there in the middle. I cut my kit part off a long time ago because I have the China 3D print part. Those were provided to me for free. And so that's what I've sized this up to meet up against. If you have the kit part, which is a little bit larger, you may have to trim these a little bit shorter. I recommend that you do that with a razor saw. If you have Model Monkey or some other 3D print, if you have somebody else's part, I don't know how these will fit up against that, so you might have to do a little bit of trimming right there. That's basically it. These are available on our website, www.themidwestmodelshop.com. There is also a link in the description down below. You'll either have a little down arrow or the word more. I don't know if you folks know, if you hit that on all YouTube videos, there's usually extra information right there. So what we're going to do now is very quickly show you how to cut these apart and paint them, and you can install them on your ship. And that's it. Thank you. Let's get into it. Alright, here is what you're going to get, and there's 1, 2, 3 sets in here. So you'll need a sanding stick and you'll need a pair of cutters. These are designed, just start off here in the corners, nipping away the little support that's at like a 45 degree. Once that's done, you could tip away these. Be careful here. Snip the center ones away. So here's one. And then this other one coming at an angle here. Like that. Here's 2. So now these are your other 2 sets. They're still protected. You could put them off to the side. Alright, here's your breakwater. The other one. Just carefully remove this piece so that then you have your port and starboard breakwaters ready to go. Now at this point I would paint them because I've made it so that you can hang on to them with your big man thumbs, which is what I have, and it's easy to get in here and put all your little detail on and whatever it is that you want to do. As far as removing them goes, what I recommend is that you start out on the little supports, flip your cutters over so the flat side is up, come up to the support, bump up against the bottom of the little stand, and then make your cut on every single one of these. You could cut these away if you want. I don't think that's really necessary, but you'll be alright. So then, from the front, you can score this carefully with a knife. That'll work too. Or just take your time and carefully snip each one of these. And as you can see, there's a little bit of flex. If you have pointier cutters, it will work better. These are Tamiya. There's still enough room to get in here. So again, do this after you painted it. Alright, after you've got most of them cut, if you just tip it away, it'll come loose. And then you've got these little nubs that you have to deal with. At this point, you can go ahead and trim them carefully with your cutters. That works fine. And or you take your sanding stick and very carefully work the bottom here until those are removed. Alright, so once you're done, just put a little glue on it and set it in position on your model, and you're set and ready to go. You'll have to make sure you glue it down straight. It's really thin, but that'll work out. That's not going to be a problem. So there you go. That's it. Hope you enjoy.